Hello everyone, welcome to Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next pyq of linear algebra asked in csirnet 2020. So our question is, let A be an n cross n real matrix. Let B be any n cross 1 vector. Suppose Ax is equals to B has no solution. Which of the following statements are true? And this is the option. So here it is given that Ax is equals to B is a non-homogeneous system of equation and which have no solution. If the system which is non-homogeneous have no solution, then determinant of A is always equals to 0. So option D is correct by this, because if Ax is equals to B has no solution, this implies rank of A is less than n and nullity of A is greater than 0. So that's why if the nullity is greater than 0, then determinant is equals to 0. Now, option A, there exists an n cross 1 vector C such that Ax is equals to C has a unique solution. So if the system has non-homogeneous, if the system have non-homogeneous, then for any value and have a no solution for particular value of B here. So for any value of another vector that is called here C, it have two possibilities, that it can have no solution or an infinite solution. The case of unique solution is not present here because determinant of this matrix is 0, and if the determinant is 0, then unique solution does not held here. So this option is incorrect. Now let's discuss B option. There exist infinitely many vectors C such that Ax is equals to C has no solution. Here it is given that there is infinite many vectors C such that Ax has no solution. Yes, it is true, because we had given that there is a one vector for which no solution is given. So if here determinant is 0, so we can find many such vector C for which no solution is given. And now here this option, if y is first column of A, then Ax is equals to y has unique solution. No, this is also not correct, because it for unique solution determinant is not equals to 0. So this option is also incorrect. So here we get, if determinant of A is equals to 0, then it's depend on C, right? What is the property of this for no solution? That is, rank of A is not equals to rank of A augmented this matrix B, or we can say C, that is this vector including matrix, or this is the condition of what? No solution. And for infinite solution, rank of A is not equals to rank of AB, but it is equals to what? It is equals to this, this is equals to this, but it less than n, right? So if this condition holds, this is equal to sign. If this condition holds, then it have infinite solution, that is rank of A is equals to rank of A augmented V, and this is less than n, that is rank of A, then this is true and we get infinite solution. And if rank of A is not equals to rank of V, then no solution we get. So here no possibility of unique solution in case of determinant of A is equals to 0. So option B and D are correct. This is a part C question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.